How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload multiple photos on your Snapchat story all at once. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you do so, just click a picture or swipe up. Now here, you'll have to select multiple pictures. To do that, just long press and just select the pictures. After you do that, tap on the blue icon on the bottom right and this page will open up. Here you will see my story. Now, if you want to share it with your friends, just tap on friends only. If you want to share it with public, you can select that option too. After you do one and after you select one, tap on this blue icon again and that will basically start sharing your story. Now let us go back to check if the story has been uploaded. Now, if you go here, you will see multiple stories getting uploaded and it does it all at once. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you can upload multiple stories on Snapchat story all at once. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.